Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I have something I want to share with you. I do a lot of string trimming. I have a lot of nice weeds around, and one thing that makes string trimming not as fun is the noise. And so when I string trim, I use muffs. I also use glasses. So one thing I've found is you can buy some gel ear cups for your muffs, and these actually are called sight lines. They have a reduced area at the top for your glasses to sit down there, and so it doesn't put that pressure on your head all day or as long as you're using them. They're gel and they are very comfortable, and they have that little notch, making it much more comfortable to do your string trimming or your mowing or whatever you do. I use my muffs all the time. I use them every single day, I would bet. And just to carry them around, I'll put them around my arm, and then I could do stuff, and then they're right there. That way they're not pressing against my head. Now, the one thing I don't like about muffs is I can't wear a hat to protect my head. So what I found is these are just little neck gaiters that I found, like a 6-pack online. You can put them around your face and neck or whatever. What I do is I just put it on my head, and then it covers my head from getting a bad sunburn. So those are some tips, friends. I would recommend. These are from the company called noisefighters.you-know-what, and they are called sight lines. So I highly recommend them. I've been using these for years. I think, gosh, they're at least 5 years old that I've been using these. So I highly recommend them.